Hello, and we are back sa ating other BL at CBTL. Ayan. Iba yung
Iba
tsura
yung
mo
mug
ng
namin
mug.
today. Bumili na ako kasi, you know, earth-friendly.
Okay, so, ang ating
We're gonna
panonood.
be doing a comparison.
Oo,
But this time, it's manga and anime.
oo, anime. So, this is Twilight Out of Focus.
So just heads up ang pag-uusapan na talaga natin is yung first
Main.
chapter or first
Hindi,
volume
volume. Main volume.
Twilight Out of Focus. Same with the anime, it's about 3 or 4 episodes lang nung 12
Oo.
episodes na anime. Okay, game.
Kasi, itong manga, it has 4 volumes. So, one is the original. Ano ba ba? Hindi. Original. And then, the second volume is a spin-off. Third volume is a sequel. And then, last volume is extra spin-off as well.
So yung first lang tayo.
Ano?
Medyo.
Bastusin.
Kapala mo kasi. Kasi naman ba dyan?
Ayan. Okay.
Anyways.
Keep sana. Chas. Anyhow, so babasahin natin as usual ang ating synopsis. Right. So, film enthusiasts Mao Tsuchiya
Tsuchiya.
and his lone wolf roommate Hisashi Otomo make 3 promises. One,
Yes.
that Mao will never tell anyone that Hisashi is gay and has a boyfriend. Two, that Hisashi will never approach Mao in that way. And three, that they'll respect each other private time, jabal time. The second year's ground rules should ensure a peaceful life together in their dorm, but reality is never as simple as it seems in the movie, in the movies, and some things are not so easily promised. Right? So basically, ang pangalan ng series, yung 4 na volumes is Cinema Club Series.
Pero sa anime ang title niya is Twilight Out of Focus.
Because the first title is called Twilight Out of Focus. The second title is called After Image in Slow Motion. Third title is Overlaps. The fourth is The Evening Monologue.
Okay, so kay Twilight lang tayo.
Twilight lang
Continue.
tayo. Okay, so anyhow. So yung beginning ng manga is actually yung scene na they were making a film. They're taking a video of their promises. Like a video, ang tawag doon? Oath. Yan. Oh, yung binanggit niya yung
Instead of written down.
Oo. Kasi sabi ni Mao, he can't lie on camera. So, hindi daw siya marunong magsingaling on camera. So, that's what they did. So, yun, they found out about it, ganyan-ganyan. They did that. And then, that's it. And then, part ng film club si Mao. Yep. Tapos, yung
He's a
director
videographer.
nila, cinematographer.
Videographer, same shit. King.
Hindi, kasi yung role niya, he maps out, parang naggagawa siya ng storyboard, kung paano yung iti-take yung movie, tapos ganyan. So, yung movie, it took daw long preparation yata, tapos 1 week lang yung shoot nila kasi 30 minutes lang yung video na ginawa nila. So, during the parang session nila, yung kanilang film director, he decided to do a BL. Right. So, and then naisip nung casting director nila, may casting director nila.
That's fine.
Yung casting director nila, ang sabi, sorry, antok. So, yung casting director nila, nakita si Hisashi before. Si Otomo, si Hisashi before na he thought na babagay si Otomo dun sa actual role. So while sinabihan siya, since roommates nga sila, i-convince niya. And so he read the script, binasa na lahat, and then nagustuhan ng lahat yung script. So he read the script nung nasa bahay, naka-umuwi na siya ng dorm, he was reading the script and then tinignan niya gano'n si Hisashi. Na-imagine niya yung scene. Na-imagine niya yung yung kissing scene. Sabi niya, babagay nga siya. Babagay nga si Hisashi.
Otomo na lang kasi mas madali.
Si Otomo, dun sa role because he's a loner, and whatever. Tapos na-imagine niya yung kissing scene, siya yung hahalikan. Tapos, hindi niya sinabi yun regarding sa role kasi feeling niya, baka isipin ni Otomo na in-out niya na gay nga
niya yung
siya.
3 roles.
Na in-out niya na gay si Hisashi kaya siya yung kukunin bilang sa BL.
Yes.
So, he decided na wag sabihin and then the next day, sinabi niya sa kanila na he's not gonna do it. He won't do it like that. Pero, nahuli na siya sa balita. Kasi kausap na nung director si Otomo to play the role and Otomo agreed. So, nagkaroon ng flashback yung una nilang pagsasama sa dorm, first year high school. And nabanggit doon na he tried to be friends pero ayaw ni Hisashi. Ganun, tas whatever. And then, parang napansin niya na laging may kausap sa phone, gano'n, tapos laging tahimik, ganyan. Tapos one time, umiiyak na may sakit na umiiyak si Otomo. Tapos, natutulog ganyan. Tapos, he tried, sinubukan siyang gisingin ni Mao. Tapos, ginrab niyang ganun si Otomo. Ginrab na ganun ni Otomo si Mao na like to harass, molest in a way. Pero naman kasi parang delirious siya na ganyan. Kinabukasan nung nagising na ulit sila, sabi, are you mad at me? Ganyan. I'm going to move out.
By the way, this is Moroccan. Kasi bawal na ako sa coffee.
Kasi
that's for a different story. Continue.
Anyways, yun nga, parang sabi ni Mao, why would you move out? I'm not mad, blah blah blah. Tapos nabanggit niya kasi na doon siya umami na he's gay, na other people will think bad about it because ang iniisip nila he's gonna jump
On someone.
the straight guy. So, it's bad luck to be roomed with a gay guy dahil nga kakalantariin ng ganun-ganun na lang. So, sabi niya, it's not like that and it wasn't your fault. You were something, you were sick, ganyan. So, sinabi niya na he does have a boyfriend, ganun, blah, blah, blah. So, now, ang iniisip ni Mao na he's in love with
The boyfriend.
Ito mo.
Bumalik ka na pala from the flashback kasi akala ko lang sa flashback ka pala.
Kaya kasabi ko, so now,
Okay.
he realized that he's in love with Otomo. So yun na, ganun tsuba. Tapos, one night, the day before the actual shoot, umuwi si Otomo nang may baka sa mukha.
Yes.
Sabi niya, nag-break na daw sila nung jowa niya. Kasi sabi niya rin naman before na, sinabi niya rin na it's been going bad for a while now. Na he was just, ang ganda ng skin ko dito.
He was
just like hanging on to the relationship kanya. Pero pinakita yung flashback na nangyari doon sa kotse. Ang ginawa pala ni he was thinking of, so nagsabi yung boyfriend niya, yung background ng boyfriend niya at saka niya, they met in middle school. So,
16 siya during that time
hindi, 14 pa lang siya. 16 na siya ngayon.
Ngayon.
So, 14 pa lang siya kasi 2 years na senior, second year na siya So, 13, 14 pa lang siya nung naging sila nung teacher niya ng middle school, homeroom teacher niya ng middle school. Kasi homeroom ng middle school, siguro second grade ng middle school, third grade ng middle school, hindi na siya yung homegrown teacher. They continue the relationship. So, second year of 4 years na sila together. 12 pa lang siya.
Okay.
Kasi, so, but anyways, yung kwento niya regarding kung paano sila nag-start, something, whatever, ganun. Anyways, sinabi niya, nung nag-break na sila, sinabi niya na, parang, hindi mo na ako gusto kasi I aged.
Older.
Oh, I'm older. You.
Lolicon, sabi niya.
Ay, hindi.
Sinabi yun?
Sinabi niya talaga, pedophile.
So, anime lolicon. Anyways, tuloy.
Oh, you're pedophile. No, you're not a pedophile. You're a predator. Ganon.
Okay.
Ganon yung pagkakasabi. So anyways, he was actually happy that they broke up. Hindi siya, before daw kasi na siya yung lagi nagkakabulkan niya. And ang pagkakasabi niya po nga dun sa pagkakabreak nila, parang, it's bad enough that you need a little boy's dick inside you. Ganon. So, siya yung type talaga. Siya, even with the professor. The teacher. So, anyways, umuwi siya sa kanila, na may bangas sa yung mukha. He was happy. He was running. He wanted to go home, to their home. Dahil nga, dito,
sa kanyang nanay.
Kay
Mama Mau.
He wants to see Mao. So, pagdating niya gano'n, umamin sa kanya na in love si Mao na in love siya kay Tomo. Tapos yun, nag-kiss sila ganyan. Tapos, nag-aray hindi, kasi nga parang injured yung inside niya. So, nilayasan sa ni Mao, parang natakot si Mao na ganyan. Pero hindi naman dahil sa best, pero sa isip ni Otomo, he was disgusted, ganyan, pero hindi naman. So, during the shoot na, sabi nung director, okay lang na hayaan yung bangas niya. It adds to the character. Oo, true. Asra kasi nga, loner, and yung character niya, punk.
Yakuza style student.
Yankee style student. O, siya, delinquent.
Delinquent.
Oo,
so, Yankee. Okay.
Ang meron.
Nano ko lang yung cards ko.
So, anyway, yung nangyari, they were shooting, ganyan. Tapos, wala sa hulog si Otomo kasi nga, he was thinking about what happened the other night na so wala siya sa focus and they've been so much mistake.
Nakailang take yun.
Nakailang take sila that sa letter, lagi niya nalalaglag, ang dumi-dumi na ngayon ng letter. Anyways, so sabi ni Mao, can they take 15 minutes break ganyan. And then, they talk, parang, Mao said na he doesn't want to talk about it. He just wants to focus on the shoot, and then they will talk about it after. That's the end of it. Tapos, after nung talk nilang yon, parang si Hisashi.
Tingnan mo kasi difference.
Si Hisashi. Hilain mo kasi dito pa ganyan din. Kaya,
ay, pangit. Anyways,
yan. And he was trying to, so since they talked, parang
umayos na siya.
Oo, nung pagbalik ni Otomo sa set, kapag nagawa mo?
Okay na siya.
Hindi, he
focused na siya.
He focused and decided to do what Mao said, to not to focus on the filming and then just finish it ganyan. Yeah. Tapos, after a few days,
final scene na.
Ang pinaka-final scene 48.
Ano ba yung number?
Scene 48 yung kissing scene.
It's a library.
Oo, it's a library kissing scene. Tapos, yung shot na magkikiss na talaga sila, Mao ruined it. Kasi, natisod siya.
Tuma yung camera.
Natisod siya sa, hawak-hawak niya ang camera eh. So, natisod siya sa mga wires because he wasn't focused enough. because yun nga, yung kissing scene kasi yung mangyayari ganyan. Hindi na lang ngayon, ni Otomo si Mao sa, sa clinic. So, parang si Otomo, he's happy kasi it's proof na he has been thinking about Otomo. So, Mao has been thinking about Otomo and it matters, ganyan. And then, parang sabi ni Mao na, I really love you, ganyan. Tapos, naglabas ngayon ng camera naglabas ng cellphone so he cannot lie in front of the camera. So, yun, tinanong niya na something. So, sabi nga ni Mao, yes, I love you. Okay, I really love you. Hindi ko alam kung walang translator's note eh. Hindi ko alam kung Aiseru, Daisuki, or Suki. Or Koi. So, walang Pero baka Daisuki lang yan. Daisuki lang.
Hindi naman sila mag-Aiseru.
Pero yung isang nabasa ko kanina, yung nakaraan, a few levels yung sinabi niya Suki, and then nag-Daisuki siya, and then nag-Ai siya, tapos binanggit yung Koi, tapos bilang nag-Aiseru.
So, kompleto levels. Anyways,
everlasting unconditional Aiseru, ganun.
Sunod.
So anyways, yan, they decided na natapos yung film. They went back to the film, they were able to shoot it. And then during the kissing scene, tapos yung kissing scene, nag-hug yung actor at saka si Otomo. And then he said to the guy, I love you. I really do. Pero iba yung nasa script. Parang, I forgot. Basta iba yung nasa script. Pero sabi niya, I love you, I really do. Yung pagka I really do niya, nakatingin talaga sila sa camera. So, you know who she's saying it for. Yun na yung iyak-iyak si lolo mo. He was so touched, kanya. Kasi raining, iyak-iyak ang lolo mo, he was blurring, yung
eyesight niya.
Oo, yung eyesight niya blurry kasi nga daw umiiyak ka na gano'n. Tapos, dito?
After that, balik na sila sa room.
Oh, yun. After that, they went home and then
to their dorm.
nag-Jojo sila.
Pinakita ng bongga-bongga yung Jojo.
Oo. So anyways, nag-Jojo sila. And then, siyempre may mga usap-usapan na I don't remember. Kakabasa ko na sa kanya, I don't remember already. Ganun. So anyways, may mga usap-usap, nag-uusap sila na how he wants to be with they want to be together, ganyan, napag-usapan nila yon. Tapos yung last scene ng film nila was raining. Tapos after nung raining shoot, may parang pa-thank you ganyan. So after nung pa-thank you nung speech nung dalawang actors, umuwi dahil nga basa na si actor, under the rain nga yung shoot nila, umuwi na sila. Tapos yung may nangyari ulit sa kanila. Tapos this time, sabi kasi ni actor, yung si Buddha.
Sige.
Yung they call him Buddha. Pero he's a man of many faces kasi nagbabago yung itsura niya sa
transform.
Nagbabago yung itsura niya sa
depende sa hair.
He's in the drama club. Gusto niya daw i-recruit si Otomo for the drama club. But then yun nga nung nakauwi na sila, Otomo agreed. Sabi niya na I will be in the drama club. Kasi sabi niya he decided na he wants to be together with Mao. Even if he wants to be together with Mao in the film club, he wants to act. Tapos gano'n. Tapos sila mag-torture. Lumabas sila and then they talked about why he wants to be in the drama club. Sabi niya, I want you to only look at me. You focus on your film. and I want you to look at me with your camera. Parang ganon. So, that's the ending.
Ano yun yung ending sa manga?
Mm-mm.
Oh, yun lang yung naaalala mo.
Hindi, yun yung ending ng
Oh.
volume 1.
Oh,
Baka yung ending ng
No.
volume
No,
2.
I don't think so. Kasi sa kanila pa rin. Di ba sabi ko kasi iba yun?
Hindi, yung volume 2 ba ng kanila?
May volume 2 sila?
Yung overlap nga, sinasabi ko sa iyo kanina pa eh.
Pinasa mo ba yan? Hindi. Anyway, so
yung
sige.
sequel.
So, sa anime, almost the same. Kaya lang kasi ang pinaka-major difference nga is dahil shonen nga siya sa anime.
Shonen Ai.
Shonen Ai. Sa anime, hindi talaga pinapakita yung mga JoJo. Parang stills lang, ganyan. Since hindi talaga siya hentai. I'll post the URL na lang nung anime since nasa YouTube siya free siya sa YouTube. So, doon na lang.
YouTube lang?
Yeah, free siya, Ani-Asia something. So, siguro kaya wala yung scenes na yan kasi it's gonna be on YouTube. Anyways, ang major, hindi ko alam kung hindi mo lang natasabi or but di ba, nung bumalik sila after ng shoot, di ba, basa. Supposedly tinanong kung magpapalit. But he decided to not change kasi wala daw siyang dalang pampalit. Bago yung, after yung speech yun.
Yeah, oo.
So yun, so hindi sila ng wait, dry, ganyan. Tapos, every night, dun sa dorm nila, may roll call.
Okay. So hindi, dun yung sa first chuchu nila.
Ano for chuchu?
Sa first JoJo nila yan.
Oo nga.
Hindi sa second JoJo.
Hindi mo na kwento. Sinasabi ko lang na may roll call.
Okay.
Na
May
they have to, kakatok sa door, you have to answer. Kasi kapag hindi bubuksan nila yung pinto, papasok. So, yung first JoJo nila, naka-answer sila. Yung sa second JoJo nila, nakatulog sila agad. So,
hindi daw nila alam.
Hindi nila alam ngayon kung may nag-roll call at pumasok. Sabi niya, but it doesn't matter kasi it usually happens naman daw. Sabi, since all boys school yung school nila.
And then, saka ano rin naman daw, they half-ass it anyway. So,
pero yun na nga, they study in an all-boys school. Kaya nung bin-ring up ni director yung BL na lahat sila nagulat. And then, when asked, bakit BL? Sabi niya kasi, I started getting into reading BL mangas. Kaya ganon.
Ay, hindi. Dun sa manga, ano lang, I read one BL.
You read.
One pa
He
lang.
started nga.
One pa lang.
Started reading. Okay. So, he started, yun ang sabi niya doon, he started reading BL and he's gotten into it. Kaya yun yung decision niya na gawin nilang show is the BL manga.
Ano pala talaga? Match talaga siya. May mga bagay na ako, hindi na pa.
Oo, malamang. And then, yun lang nga, I think yun lang talaga yung major difference nga is yung walang introduce nga nila, hindi nga masyadong pinakita talaga. Siyempre, that. And since di mo naman nabasa yung overlap, baka nga kadugtong yun kasi ang ending ng scenes nila sa anime, which is yung first 3 or 4 episodes, kasi the rest is a different na yun ng kasunod na volumes probably, is, di ba nung tumakas sila sa dorm to buy yun yung last doon sa mo. So, yan kasi nangyari during their first JoJo
Second JoJo.
Doon? I don't remember much, but I think hindi. But anyway, so di ba tumakas sila? When they got back, hindi ko alam baka nga nandun na to sa
siguro yan.
kwento niya yung reason kung bakit anong siya dun sa jowa niya. Parang hindi niya mabitawan. He talked about his younger years na
sinabi ko kanina.
no, dito pinakita, baka nga nandun sa second volume to, pinakita doon na nung bata pa sila, may younger sister siya.
Kasama yan sa first volume.
Oh.
May
younger sister siya.
It's irrelevant.
It's relevant to the story of Otomo kasi.
Hindi, kasi nabanggit ko nga sa'yo na chuchu-chuchu and then yung si
So anyways, pinakita kasi talaga siya sa anime.
Pinakita
talaga. Pinakita doon na yung bata pa siya. Flashback. Flashback. Pinakita sa anime na yung sister niya parang na-inlove sa kanya, na-inlove sa kanya, tapos pumatong sa kanya. Tapos nahuli nung nanay.
Pinakita yun.
Pinakita yun. So, yung nahuli nung nanay, then after that, siya lang yung in-ostracize sa family. Yung girl, parang walang nangyari. Kahit siya, wala naman siyang ginawa.
Yung part na yun, hindi pinakita. Sinabi lang na he left home.
Hindi, sinabi yun na parang doon sa anime sinabi, kwento niya na yung mom niya galit na galit sa kanya samantalang dun sa younger girl, walang nangyari kahit wala naman siyang ginawa.
So, walang part.
Oo. Tapos after that, umalis na siya ng bahay. at saka niya nakilala si teacher. Parang yun yung nagbigay kasi sa kanya ng attention eh.
Oo.
Kaya parang hang up siya doon na every time na makikipag-try mag-break, siya yung kumakapit na no, we don't break up. Kaya nung scene sa kotse, di ba yung nagsabi na si guy na let's break up, sabi niya, sure, let's break up. Tapos parang natawa pa siya. Sa anime may ganung scene na parang natawa siya, parang nagagalit. Yung isa, kung bakit daw siya tumatawa, what's funny.
Ay, hindi. Yung dun sa manga, he laughed first.
Ay,
kasi iniisip niya yung pag-uwi niya.
Hindi. So, ito yung nangyari sa anime. Ito yung take sa anime. So, sabi, let's break up. Tapos, parang natawa siya. Pero during that time, na parang yung nagalit na si kuya, bago niya sabihin yung lolicon, yung sinabi sa'yo, ang term kasi na ginamit niya doon is, you can't get it up for me because I've already grown up. You wanted someone you're such a lolicon. Parang ganun yung term na ginamit. Hindi nila sinobang pedo or something like that.
Yung kasi sa yung official translation.
Baka translation kasi nga.
Official translation.
Kaya nga baka sa translation
official translator, ginamit talaga, you're a pedophile.
Doon kasi lolicon.
Sorry, no, you're not. You're a predator.
Doon kasi lolicon yung ginamit. So baka dahil Japanese-based kasi, baka yun yung term na ginamit doon. Anyways, after that, nagpa-flashback sa kanya kaya sabi ko kanina, Mama Mau. Kasi may mga scenes na pinakita sa anime, kaya siya natawa. Pinakita dun sa anime yung mga scenes ni Mau na sinasabi na you should go home early and you eat your ganto, you eat your ganyan.
Ayan, yun yung before nagalit.
Kasi natawa siya.
Hindi, before sabihin na mag-break na sila.
Hindi, doon hindi.
Kasi nag-iisip siyang ganyan, tapos bigla siyang natawa, tapos saka nagsabi
hindi. Yun doon, parang gano'n yung ginawa nila. Parang natawa siya, tapos tinanong nga siya, what's funny? Parang gano'n. Nagalit yung lalaki na parang, bakit ka tumatawa? Nakikipag-break na nga ako. Parang gano'n yung dating sa akin ng anime. But yeah, it's almost the same. Walang masyadong change. Maliban nga sa hindi pinakita yung Journey. I'm so sad. But, it's good. And ending nung anime for them was in a hill. Probably nandun nga sa extra yun siguro. In second chapter. Nasa hill sila nag-uusap about their future. But yeah, that's it. That's the end. So yun yung ending nung Twilight Out of Focus.
Take 4. Sa chapter 4 siya.
Alin doon?
Yung flashback.
Sa flashback? Ayan, yan, that one, that scene.
Oo, yan.
Yan, ganyan, oo. Tapos biglang pinaalis siya.
Yun, walang masyadong.
Ay, wala yung nanay.
Oo. One misunderstanding led to another, and for some reason, I was the only one who got kicked out of the family's inner circle.
Yun hindi kasi.
That's when my homeroom teacher took me in.
Yeah, yun na yun.
I'm 14. He was 14.
Sabi sa'yo eh.
So, in my second year nga siya ng junior high.
So yeah, but that's it. So, talagang pido yung naman talaga yung teacher.
Ito yan wala pa hindi pa nagsasabi na let's break up.
Sinabi na. Tama pala ako. Tama ako. So exactly the same naman talaga siya nung anime. Maganda din naman. Yun lang talaga yung kulangan ako, yung Jojo parts. Kasi syempre, pinakita lang picture-picture, parang stills na galing sa manga na colored. Yun na yun. With the eyes and all that shit, na nakapatong, may kumot and all that. Yan,
medyo
it's cute.
Somewhat graphic yung sa hindi super graphic.
Hindi. I don't think so. Kasi pang cutesy-cutesy ito eh. But why did you like it?
Cute.
Yun na yun. Pero ang pogi din ng Otomo kasi, promise. He's so manly ang dating niya, no? Pero ang pogi, promise. Like, if real life siya, sana may live din yun. Sana magka-live yun.
So, second wish yan na.
Si Kaltaka yung una.
Si
Mother Spirit. And then si Twilight Out of Focus.
So, anyways, yung kaya ko siya nagustuhan, ang simple lang niya.
True. Tsaka wala masyadong angst. Oo.
Wala masyadong angst.
Yung tamang internalize ng drama.
Ganyan, ang cute, tapos hindi masyadong pinatagal yung issue nila.
Saglit lang.
Wala masyadong
and they talk. Maganda yung communication nilang dalawa.
Communication.
At saka yung concept na pag nakaharap ako sa camera, hindi ako nagsisinungaling.
Yun din.
It's cute.
Lalo na yung beginning scenes kasi.
Yung nag-video sila nung 3 rules.
Tapos may instance pa nga doon na Otomo was just about to wake up. So he set up the camera. Tapos na pag upong gano'n ni Otomo na parang pupungay-pungay pa,
pupungat-pungat pa siyang
Ah,
gano'n.
pinakita sa anime yan, sa
Pinakita
final,
din.
ano nila.
Ay, hindi. Hindi pa. Iba pa yung final.
Magjowa na sila nung sa
Iba
ano
pa
yung...
yung final.
Ah, iba pa ba yun?
Oo.
Ah.
Magdiwa na sila, pero iba pa yung final.
Parang lagi siya nag-set up ng camera pag gising, tapos babalikan yung shhh, mga ganyan.
Di ba, yung una, maglalabas sila sa kama, yung scene. Tapos,
Babangon sila, Tomo.
Oo, babangon sila, Tomo. Pag balik ko siyang gano'n, oh no, we're gonna be late.
Oo.
Should we just skip? Sabi no,
No.
we cannot skip because we have a shoot today. So, ito yung after ng first year nila.
Ah,
So,
basta yan
we have
napanood
a
ko.
shoot
Basta
today.
nandun yan sa anime. Oo.
Tapos, you're taking
Are you
a
filming?
video.
Oh,
Are you filming? Tapos, lalabas na sila ng door. Nakatapat na yung camera sa door.
Oo.
Nag-kiss sila doon. Tapos, labas. Tapos, bumalik siya. Tapos,
Pinatay niya.
That's the
Mga cute
after the
scenes,
first Georgia. The second Georgia may ganun din.
Oh, parang ganun. Parang ginagawa niya yun everyday na...
It's
it's
cute.
very cute. Parang ka ng jowa yung ganun.
Oo.
Okay, so...
Wala nandito.
Well, malay mo naman. Bye-bye for now.
Hi. That is it for our
Johnny.
CBGI.
Bye-bye.